Number 1. Which Indian IT companies are on edge due to potential H-1B visa changes? Correct answer C. TCS, Infosys, Wipro. Explanation: with a potential return of stricter H-1B visa policies under Trump's influence, leading Indian IT firms like TCS, Infosys, and Wipro are facing uncertainties. Number 2. Which region is expected to experience light rainfall and snowfall as per IMD's forecast? Correct answer B. Western Himalayan region. Explanation: the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has forecast light to scattered rainfall and snowfall over the Western Himalayan region in the next 2 to 3 days. Number 3. What is the primary focus of the Green Army in Varanasi? Correct answer B. Empowering women and raising awareness against dowry and drugs. Explanation: the Green Army, a women-led group in Varanasi, focuses on empowering women and spreading awareness against drugs, gambling, and dowry. They also celebrate the birth of girl children as a festival. Number 4. What is the name of the humanoid female robot that will be sent to space under the Gaganyaan mission? Correct answer C. Vyomitra. Explanation: Vyomitra is a humanoid female robot astronaut developed for India's Gaganyaan mission to simulate crew activities during spaceflight. Number 5. Which system was signed for integration onboard Calvary-class submarines? Correct answer B. Electronic Heavyweight Torpedo (EHWT). Explanation: the Ministry of Defense signed contracts for the integration of the Electronic Heavyweight Torpedo (EHWT) onboard Calvary-class submarines. Number 6. Who won the title in the FIDA Women's Blitz Chess Championship 2024? Correct answer B. Ramesh Babu Vaishali. Explanation: Grandmaster Ramesh Babu Vaishali topped the FIDE Women's Blitz Chess Championship 2024 with 9.5 points from 11 rounds. Number 7. Which team won the football final in the 24th National Vanvasi Sports Competition? Correct answer B. Santhal Pargana. Explanation: Santhal Pargana defeated Kerala by 4-1 in a tiebreaker to win the football final in the National Vanvasi Sports Competition. Number 8. Which country introduced the world's fastest high-speed train prototype, CR 450? Correct answer A. China. Explanation: China introduced the CR 450, the world's fastest high-speed train prototype, with test speeds reaching 450 km per hour, surpassing the CR 400 Fuxing trains. Number 9. What fine did Venezuela's Supreme Court impose on TikTok? Correct answer C. $10 million. Explanation: Venezuela's Supreme Court imposed a $10 million fine on TikTok, accusing it of negligence about viral challenges that allegedly led to the deaths of 3 adolescents. Number 10. Who is set to take over as the Director General of CRPF? Correct answer B. Vitul Kumar. Explanation: IPS officer Vitul Kumar will assume the position of Director General of CRPF upon the retirement of Anish Dayal Singh on December 31, 2024. Number 11. Which Indian state hosted the 24th National Vanvasi Sports Competition? Correct answer A. Chhattisgarh. Explanation: the 24th National Vanvasi Sports Competition concluded in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, with Santhal Pargana winning the football title. Number 12. Who has been reappointed as the non-executive chairman of Bandhan Bank? Correct answer C. Anup Kumar Sinha. Explanation: the RBI approved the reappointment of Anup Kumar Sinha as Bandhan Bank's non-executive chairman, a role critical for governance and leadership. Number 13. For how many successive quarters have small savings interest rates remained unchanged? Correct answer C5. Explanation: the Finance Ministry has kept small savings interest rates unchanged for the 5th straight quarter to discourage shifting funds from bank deposits to small savings schemes. Number 14. What is the capital target set by RBI for urban cooperative banks, UCBs? Correct answer C. 300 crore. Explanation: the RBI has set a 300 crore rupee capital requirement for UCBs with a deadline of February 7, 2025 for stakeholders to meet this target. Number 15. When is the new deadline for implementing the 30% market cap on UPI players? Correct answer C. December 2026. Explanation: NPCI extended the deadline for enforcing a 30% market cap on UPI players to December 2026, benefiting Google Pay and PhonePe, which dominate the market. Number 16. How many times has the NPCI extended the deadline for UPI market cap implementation? Correct answer C. 3 times. Explanation: the NPCI has extended the deadline for implementing the UPI market cap for the third time, now until December 31st, 2026. Number 17. Which country emerged as the largest exporter of liquefied natural gas, LNG, in 2024? Correct answer A. Qatar. Explanation: Qatar maintained its position as the largest LNG exporter, capitalizing on increased demand from Europe and Asia amid global energy shortages. Number 18. Which two states lead in social welfare spending in rural areas? Correct answer B. Chhattisgarh and West Bengal. Explanation: Chhattisgarh and West Bengal have been identified as leading states in social welfare expenditure for rural areas, as per the business standard. Thank you. Your time and support mean everything to us. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more great content. Together, we can keep learning and growing. Thanks for being part of this journey.